Hello and welcome to the daily message for this 17th Sunday in Ordinary Time. Today I want to offer just a brief reflection on the first liturgical reading for today, which comes from the first book of Kings. In this story, we see that God and Solomon, who has just become king, have a conversation in a dream. And God says very simply to him, ask something of me and I will give it to you. What do you want? So Solomon, it's almost like the genie with the lamp. What are your three wishes? Do you want riches? Do you want fame? Do you want power? What do you want? And Solomon says, "O Lord, you have made me your servant, king, to succeed my father David, but I am a mere youth, not knowing at all how to act." And so he asks for the ability to judge people and to distinguish right from wrong. What a wonderful thing for a leader to ask. In his very asking for this gift, it appears as though he already has it. He has the wisdom to ask for wisdom. And so then it says the Lord was pleased that Solomon made this request. And God says to him, because you have asked for this, not for a long life, not for riches, not for the life of your enemies, but for understanding so that you may know what is right, I do as you requested. I give you a heart so wise and understanding that there has never been anyone like you up to now. And after you, there will come no one equal to you. Wow. Quite the gift. So, as we see from the life of Solomon, he was a man of wisdom, a flawed human being, but a man of wisdom. And the thing about Solomon that the last thing about Solomon that I want to point out is that not only did he know right from wrong, not only was he able to discern right from wrong, but he was able to do the right thing most of the time. And so therein, I think, lies the example for us, that wisdom is not just knowing right from wrong, but wisdom also involves having the courage to do what is right rather than what is wrong. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great Sunday today.